Hi everyone, so today we've got a new knife. This time it's a Rough Ryder from the Classic Carbon 2 series. And what did I say on the box? The perfect everyday carry that never goes out of style. So once again from Rough Ryder, we've got a beautiful magnetic box that had the knife. Oh, there's the knife. Here it is. This is a moose pattern from Rough Ryder. Just quickly. So this is the moose pattern. 2 blades. Now let's go over the specifics here. So we've got a clip point blade with a nice ridge here. And we've got our spay blade. Now, this being the Classic Carbon 2 series, these are carbon steel blades, more specifically T10 carbon steel. And so we've got nickel silver bolsters with one ring, and we've got a slanted R logo there. We've got black micarta scales or handles. We've got a diamond shaped pewter shield. And what is this? We've got some blue here, which is an underliner next to, let's just move the box away for a sec. So we've got brass liners, but then a blue underliner before we get to the micarta handles. And I'll tell you what, that just looks awesome. So the back springs here, not any gapping whatsoever. I really love the brass liners, and I especially love these blue underliners next to the micarta handles. So overall, this is 3.5 inches. Now, even in a giant in my hands is okay, about 3 fingers. So let's look at the walk and talk of this. Can you hear it? Our clip point blade, got a nice walk and talk. The pull on this is about a 3 or 4 for me. And the spay blade as well, this very long spay blade. Also got a nice walk and talk to it. But yeah, that's just about a 3, I'd say, as far as the pull goes. So let's look at overall build quality. Blade centering is okay there. And yeah, these nickel silver pins are all nice and flush with the micarta handles. The micarta handles are flush with the nickel silver bolsters. And yeah, this pewter diamond shaped shield as well, those are also very flush. So comfort wise, this feels pretty fantastic in my hand. Even at 3.5 inches, so for me it's more like getting only 3 of my fingers on it, but otherwise it is very comfortable. Just the fidget factor of this, the walk and talk of this is a major fidget factor for me. And plus, look at, like, it's not very wide, 2 blades, and also not height as well though. I mean, compare that to a normal sesame knife. Okay, well, form factor there, okay, so it's quite a bit narrower than a 4-layer sesame knife. But this thing just feels fantastic. So, what else other details are we missing here? Oh yeah, we were looking at the build quality of this. So let's take a closer look again at the clip point. So we got a nail neck here with a mesh strike pull, swedge on the main blade. Let's see if we can, yeah, so we got a nice even edge on this side, and if I can get it in light, there we go. Also a nice even edge there. So we got the model number RR2216, made in China, and the RR logo there. So let's look. Oh, I wanted to notice something as well, that the dwindness is there. Yeah, you see there's hardly any gap in here on the back springs, and also there. That is also very nice. But now the spay blade. So we've got this very long swedge on the spay blade. Nail neck, mesh strike pull. Let's see if we can get, yeah, there we go. There's the edge. Pretty nice edge on it. But one thing I did notice is on the back here, let me just use my pen to demonstrate. So right about there, see this gapping is a little bit uneven. But it is such a minor thing for me that I'm not going to complain about it. Overall, this moose pattern, now from Rough Ryder, I have to say, it's the first moose pattern I have got, and I quite like it. And yeah, so what more can we say? Oh, these are pinched bolsters as well. Pinched ring nickel silver bolsters. See, it's pinched over here and over here as well. All in all, this just feels actually fantastic in my hand. And also in my pocket, it hardly feels like it's there. So, there you go. We've got the Rough Ryder Classic Carbon 2 Moose Pattern Pocket Knife. So, please stay tuned for some more close-up photos of this, and hope you guys all have a fantastic day.